the royal family has decided to keep quiet following remarks made by Prince Harry and Meghan Markle as they fear speaking out would unleash even more criticism, a royal correspondent believes. Charles Ray, who has followed the firm for 30 years, says King Charles' strategy is in keeping with the long-held never complain, never explain protocol. This is in contrast to Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, who have publicly aired their frustrations with the institution in recent months. Ray said, "I believe the royal family has decided to keep quiet as they believe, and I think it is right. It would unleash even more criticism from Harry and Meghan. If they respond to one part of the accusations, then the question will be, is the remainder accurate?" Speaking on behalf of Spengini, the photographer and commentator added, "I very much doubt that the royal family will in future make any official comments. As I say, if they did, it would only lead to much more publicity, which they certainly don't want." Prince Harry's ex-girlfriend Cressida Bonas reacts to Princess Eugenie's pregnancy following the release of the couple's Netflix docuseries in December. Puerto Rico expert Edward Coram James told Express.co.uk responding to Harry and Meghan's claims could backfire on the royal family. Coram James said, "If I was in the employment of the royal family, I would say, keep doing what you're doing, for a number of reasons. Partly because the allegations weren't nearly as explosive than they might have otherwise been. Also, the allegations were devoid of any evidence, they were he said, she said. I think if the royal family were to get involved, it would indicate the impression that it would give. It sort of would give validity to the comments." He added, "If they remain silent, then it gives the impression that, these are such nonsense, we're not even going to bother to reply. If they reply, then it might indicate they've got something to hide and Terry's some truth to the claims." Indeed, the royal family appeared to put on a united front in the days following the release of Prince Harry's book despite the media storm. Prince William and Kate, the Princess of Wales, appeared smiling and donning matching outfits as they visited the Royal Hospital in Merseyside days after Spare became available to the public. The Prince of Wales also snubbed attempts to inquire about views of his brother's claims about their relationship. The Duke of Sussex alleged his relationship with his older brother had been complicated since childhood, referring to William as both his arch-nemesis and his beloved brother. He also suggested the royal family had highlighted the different roles the two brothers held within the institution by referring to him and William as the heir and the spare. Despite the ongoing feud between the Sussexes and the royal family, the king is still expected to extend an olive branch to the couple in the form of an invite to his upcoming coronation.